Now, let's learn the cycle command. The shortcut is C. Start cycle command, type C and press enter. Click where you want the center of the cycle. Specify center point of the cycle. Click center point. Here, type a radius, for example, type 50 and press enter. 5 and type 50, press enter. Now you have a circle with radius 50 and also diameter 100. You can also specify the diameter instead of radius. Start cycle command for type C and press enter. Click the center for, and here is our center point, and type D for diameter D, and type D, press enter. 100 diameter, so type 100, press enter. Okay, this creates a cycle with diameter 100, radius is 50. Okay, same cycle, different input.